Welcome to CashFlow Secrets, smart strategies for smart money. In 2025, AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's an incredible tool that can help you make money like never before. It's like having a team of super efficient robots working for you 24/7, automating tasks, generating ideas, and even predicting market trends. Let's explore some smart ways you can start using AI to boost your income. First up, AI-powered content creation. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can help you generate blog posts, articles, or social media content faster than ever. These AI tools are getting insanely good at producing high-quality, engaging content that people actually want to read. Imagine being able to pump out a week's worth of blog posts in just a few hours, or creating dozens of social media captions in minutes. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to use these tools. They're designed to be user-friendly even for beginners. So, if you're looking for a way to scale your content creation, save time, and ultimately boost your income, AI is the key. Next, AI is transforming the world of graphic design. Tools like Canva's AI design assistant or MidJourney can help you create stunning visuals without being a professional designer. With AI-powered design tools, you can create professional-looking logos, social media posts, presentations, and even entire branding packages in minutes. Just give the AI some basic information about your brand and what you're looking for, and it'll generate a bunch of options for you to choose from. You can then customize the designs to your liking, adding your own personal touch. AI has made it easier than ever to create stunning graphics that will elevate your brand and attract more customers. If you're into finance, AI can be a game changer for stock market and crypto trading. Platforms like Trade Ideas or Crypto Hopper use AI to predict market trends and help you make more informed investment decisions. These tools can analyze massive amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and trends that humans might miss. They can also help you manage your risk by setting stop-loss orders and automatically rebalancing your portfolio. It's like having a team of financial analysts working for you around the clock. If you're looking for an edge in the market, these tools can be incredibly valuable. AI for dropshipping and e-commerce, automating your way to success. AI can streamline your business operations, automating product recommendations, inventory management, and customer support. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer service inquiries 24/7, answering questions, resolving issues, and even processing returns. AI can also help you personalize the shopping experience for your customers. By analyzing their browsing history and purchase behavior, AI can recommend products they're more likely to be interested in, increasing your sales and customer satisfaction. AI can track your stock levels, predict demand, and even automate your ordering process, ensuring you never run out of your best-selling products. AI, your personal assistant for freelancing and beyond. AI can also be your personal assistant. You can use AI tools to automate administrative tasks, manage schedules, or even book meetings, making you more productive in your freelance work or business. AI-powered tools can handle all those tedious tasks that suck up your time, like scheduling appointments, booking travel, managing your inbox, and even creating presentations. Imagine having a virtual assistant that works 24/7, never takes a break, and doesn't need health insurance. So, if you're ready to reclaim your time and boost your productivity, AI is your new best friend. Start by identifying the tasks that take up most of your time, and then look for AI-powered tools that can help you automate them. Share your expertise. Scale your impact AI for online courses and coaching. If you're an expert in a specific field, AI can help you create and sell online courses. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy allow you to automate the course creation process, and AI can even help you personalize the learning experience for your students. AI-powered tools can help you create high-quality course content, including video lectures, quizzes, and assignments. AI can also help you market your course to the right audience, personalize the learning experience for each student, and even provide automated customer support. AI has made it easier than ever to create, launch, and scale your online course business. There you have it. 6 ways you can earn money using AI in 2025. The key to success is finding what works for you and leveraging these powerful tools to your advantage. Investing in AI today is like getting in on the ground floor of the next big thing, so Don't be afraid to embrace the power of AI.